Our Prime Minister's vision for NAMTECH, as I understand, is that this should become an institution which clearly focuses on manufacturing in the new age and develops talent both at the working level on the shop floor as well as in the lab and higher level as well as at the research level. And this is going to be the large bulk at the working level. There will be a small middle at the design level and a very minuscule top at the research level. I hope this vision is very clear, Malik, when we work on this. That's the vision that Prime Minister wants for this institute. So let's work on that path and have as many industries as we can and get that large number of people trained, as we had the comment from Director of Roper IIT, get that large number of people trained so that they become totally employable, and industry also wins. For example, one of the companies which signed MOU with GSV said, for me, the takeaway from this entire exercise is that I save 1 year's salary which would have gone in getting the person onboarded in my company, which is huge. In today's world, saving 1 year's cost to company is huge, and the student who comes, if he is well prepared for the industry, then it's absolutely the right win for both. From the government side, we are always available 24/7 for this institution, for developing this as a really new age institution in the terms of mindset and of course in terms of manufacturing, new age manufacturing, but in terms of mindset also.